Here's the back side of the house, and over around the corner there is the kitchen area that we saw earlier. And then here's very nice boat and or RV parking space. Right here's the garage. Yeah, just very large driveway area. And there's all your part of your front yard there with the very nicely landscaped yard. And across the way here, this is yours as well. So this is the little road for the community, shared with a few houses. But let's go across here. You can hear some water features. Very nicely maintained. They've definitely made this into just a really nice getaway sanctuary. You have the raised beds here. They're just really gorgeous. That's your herbs. Okay, that's where the water is coming from. I was wondering where I think those are grapes. Those are grapevines. It's just be gorgeous. We'll come into a little bunkie room. We have a sink. Looks like literally, yeah, just a little entertaining she shed loud sink with a nice, looks like electric fireplace. No toilet, but definitely great for entertaining.